Hi guys! For today, I will be sharing to you our Cebu City trip with my mother kasama ng aking pinaka-cute na pamangkin at syempre ang kanyang ina na happens to be the asawa of my kuya. So, ito yung nangyari guys sa aming Cebu City tour. Actually, this video is taken matagal na pero ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon ng tibay ng loob, sana all, to make this as vlog. Ayan, sana po ay mag-enjoy po kayo. Yung unang rason po talaga kung bakit kami nag Cebu City tour kasi for me to allow my mother to go to Cebu nga Simala because that is a great place for a prayer. And of course, gusto ko siyang pumunta doon sa Basilica Santo Niño di Cebu. Kaya ito nangyayari na talaga siya guys. I'm very happy to give time with my mother because I'm very busy with my work, no? So that's it. So kinijod nga vlog is intended to give time with my mother guys. So bahala na niyo kung sa humay no, basta I'm very happy with this time. We're visited the Magellan's Cross, also the Santo Niño de Cebu, and of course yung napakasikat na new tourist spot sa Cebu na Taps, kung saan ang daming pagkain at napakaganda ng paligid guys. One thing I learned from this trip guys is to give time to the person who really matters most. Grabe, nakalimod po ito usahin, no? So hopefully nga sa ato ang mga kinabuhi dito nakalimod to give time to the person that really matters most. So that is our parents and of course lahat ng mga tao na nagmamahal sa atin. We have a great time enjoying the view. So that's my mother guys. Ayan. And then mausan na ako ang usa ka gwapang pag-umangkon kasama iyahang mama. So diri dapita sa Taps is we're having our great time for dinner. Nakalimot ako og video kay gutom kayo guys. But after our dinner diri sa Taps is nilakaw na dayon may pauli kay gabi na ato nga time. So this time is we're heading to hotel that I already booked. It cost 1,099 pesos per night at napakamura lang po kasi budget friendly po yung aming trip in Cebu. And on our second day, ayan, so ito na yung time na pumunta kami ng Simala where ito yung prime purpose namin ng Cebu tour. Ayan. This place is very perfect for my mother kay my mother is a very God-centered person mula po noong bata po kami hanggang ngayon, always praying a lot to God at yun, nagbunga naman po lahat ng kanyang mga panalangin at paghihirap. Actually, my mother told me that this is her first time visiting Simala and oh my God, memorable sa akin kasi ako yung first time na nagdala kay mama dito sa Cebu. Pero I believe nga mabalik-balik to Mindere because maraming pang blessing na ibibigay si God. Manifesting! Siguro wala namang mawawala no kapag magmamanifest tayo. After that is umuwi na kami sa aming hotel at kitang-kita nyo naman na silang lahat po ay pagod na. And then this time is we're just having a rest kasi after this one is pupunta kami ng isang resto kung saan po kami doon kakain ng aming hapunan. And we decided to have our hapunan sa Chowking kay nindot makuno sa Chowking kay wala pa kaming kakaon so among i-try. And on our third day, ayan, so nanghipos nami anay pa doon nami manguli kay ganahan na si mama maulay gimingaw na siya siyang yutang natawhan sa bulilis. So this time akong gistugo ni akong pag-umangkon to give little bit money aron po makibaw siya how to give other people, no, how to help other people. So kana siya ako siyang giingnan nga ibutang dito sa performer nga who are singing with a Visayan song or any songs, no. So ayan, so maganda talaga guys kapag tinuturuan natin yung mga bata ng ganitong paraan para kapag sila lalaki they will be more kind and more generous. Good job, baby! This time sumakay na kami ng barko guys from Cebu City to Hitafi Port and hopefully you like my vlog which shows my love for my mother. Lastly, maingon ko ninyo laban ampo og dasig lang ta kanunay. See you on my next vlog. Mwah!